Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Appium for mobile test automation with Flutter, complete guide step by step clearly.
To begin, ensure that you have Java Development Kit installed on your machine. Download the latest version of the JDK from the official Oracle website.
After downloading, run the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation.
Once installed, set the Java environment variable. Right-click on this PC or my computer and select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings and then Environment Variables.
Under System Variables, click New to add a new variable.
Name the variable Java_home and set the value to the path of your JDK installation.
Next, open your command prompt and verify the installation by typing Java version.
The next step is to install Node.js. Go to the official Node.js website and download the installer. Run the Node.js installer and follow the setup instructions.
Once installed, check if Node.js is properly installed by opening command prompt and typing node v.
After confirming Node.js is installed, you will install Appium using npm. In the command prompt, type npm install Appium and press enter. This will download and install Appium globally on your machine. Now, verify the Appium installation by typing Appium v.
If you see the version number, Appium is successfully installed.
Next, install Appium Desktop for a graphical interface.
Visit the Appium Desktop GitHub releases page and download the latest version for your operating system.
Install Appium Desktop by following the installation instructions. Once installed, launch Appium Desktop and start a new server.
You will need to configure the server settings like port number and other options as necessary.
Now, let's set up Flutter for mobile test automation. Ensure you have Flutter SDK installed on your machine.
If not, download it from the official Flutter website and follow the installation instructions.
After installing Flutter, set up your environment variables for Flutter.
Add Flutter's bin directory to your path in the same way you did for the JDK. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.